You start that.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I will start my presentation.
Varun, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ bit louder.
Yes, sir. Is it audible, sir?
Now it is okay. Audible. You start the presentation.
Hello, everyone. I am Varun S. Kulkarni. I am from CSC Department, RIMAC, Ballari. Uh, Today, I am going to explain about Euclidean distance and proximity and walk you through a concept where we can find the proximity of pixels and measure them whether they are near, far, or whether they are the same points, etc. So let's start the presentation. Uh, yes, I'm going to cover distance. There are many ways to calculate distance. The best way I think is Euclidean. It is debatable. I'll explain some examples and try to code it. Proximity of Finding out the proximity of the pixels, and final I'll conclude it. So starting with distance, when we talk about distance, we think about 2 points, and we try to measure the space between them. So distance is something but measurement of how apart the 2 points are. In many textbooks and many places, if you want to say, if there are 2 points A and B and we want to mention the distance, we the denotation of that mention, we denote it via modulus of A and B. So there are many units such as millimeter, centimeter, meter, kilometer, and astronomical unit. I think millimeter, centimeter, and meter, they are all familiar, but astronomical unit is distance between Sun and Earth. So the distance, uh, what it is between Sun and Earth, is an one astronomical unit. So this is something new. Now coming to distance calculation, there are many ways to calculate distance. Uh, some of them are Euclidean distance, city block distance, and chessboard distance. So as Euclidean distance is shortest path between 2 points, so this is mainly derived from Pythagoras theorem, where d is denoting AC. uh, we have 2 points, x1 y1, x2 y2. We calculate we calculate the distance by subtracting x2 by x1 and y2 by y1. And so by Pythagoras, we calculate the distance, that is d. And another one is city block distance, which is also called as d4. Here what we do is we have 2 points, x1 y1 and x2 y2. We What we do is subtract x2 by x1 and add with y2 by minus y1. So this is the distance what we get. And another one is chessboard distance, that is we calculate via maximum of d4, that is city block, that is x2 minus x1 comma y2 minus y1. Maximum of this is chessboard distance. So coming to Euclidean distance formula, we have dimensions: one dimension, two dimension, and so on, many dimensions. Uh, for one dimension, if we have P and Q, the Euclidean distance formula is P minus Q square. So for two dimension, we have P1, P2, and Q1, Q2. So P2 minus P1 whole square plus Q2 minus Q1 whole square, that is squared root. So this is how we calculate distance of dimensions. So we can carry on this for n dimensions. If you want p, q, and r, then r2 minus r1 whole square will be added to the last. So this goes on until the nth dimension. So for one dimension, if I'll give an example for one dimension calculation. Considering this, we have a matrix of 1 cross 8, and if p1, if p is 0 and q is 3, then the formula we use is p minus q whole square. that is 0 minus 3 whole square, we get minus 3 whole square, and we know that it is something 3.
Varun, what are these? These are these objects? P
Sir,
and Q.
this is point, sir. P is a point and Q is a point in 1 cross 8 dimension matrix.
I thought it is distance between objects.
Yes, sir. It is distance between objects, sir. Those are points. It is a,
So,
in image we have matrix, sir. So everything is m cross n, and we calculate m cross n by this formula.
continue.
And the units for the distance is same as that of scale taken in the graph. So this is for one dimension, and for two dimension we have that is 4 cross 4 matrix I have taken as an example. P axis and Q axis. Now point 1 and point 2. So we have P1 Q1 as 0 and 2, P2 Q2 as 3 and 3. So to calculate distance between these 2 points, what we do is we use two dimension formula, that is P2 minus P1 whole square plus Q2 minus Q1 whole square. So what we get is this, that is substituting those values, and at final we get approx 3.16 as answer. Uh, so we can code this also as an example, that is to, we have a standard formula, so we can implement the formula in any languages. As of now I have taken example of Python. I'm importing NumPy, and I have taken 2 points as 0 2 and 3 3 comma 3, same as the same as this previous example. So 0 2 and 3 comma 3. Now what we do is we create an point 1 point 2, and we substitute that is point 1 minus point 2 squared. So we what we get is the resultant, that is approx 3.16. Actual code for this is implemented here. So it is same as I explained. We are importing a numpy as np, and we have created points, that is 0 comma 2 and 3 comma 3. If we I will clear the terminal, and now if I run the code for the same example which I have given, it is 3.16 as I am highlighting it. So we also calculated the same distance here, that is 3.16 approx. So this is for calculation part implemented by via code using Python language. And we also can do proximity. Proximity is that nothing but how far the 2 points are. That is, I have taken a class proximity. I have initialized it within two-dimensional array, that is 4 cross 4, and I have a function which details out the proximity of the point by taking an initial point. Uh, so if coming to explanation of that code, this is the same proximity function. Here I will here I have initialized with the same matrix 4 cross 4, and I am taking an point x comma y of two-dimensional plane as an input. By taking that input, I will calculate the distance from all the points in the two-dimensional matrix. So I'm creating a proximity function that is, I'm instantiating the class, and also create and calling the function. So let's run this code. Now it is asking for x comma y. Uh, in 4 cross 4 example, I have taken 0 comma 2 as p1 q1, so I'm going to enter that itself, 0 comma 2. Now what it does is it details out the distance between 0 comma 2 and 0 comma 0, that is 1, as we say in matrix. So on, it does the proximity, it calculates proximity for all the pixels in the matrix. So if it is 0, then it is near. If it is that is 3.16, for example 0 comma 2 and 3 comma 3, we got the same output for the previous code which we have run. that is distance between 0, 2 and 3, 3 is 3.16 approx. So on it is for every pixels. This is implementation via code. And coming to the presentation, we have a proximity function. In proximity function, we measure the closeness of the points, that is proximity, whether they lie near, far, or whether they are 2 points, whether 2 points are the same point. So this function, what it should do is return 1 if the points are same, that is distance is 0. Distance is 0. It should return 0 if it is far, that is distance between them is max, and it should return from range 0 to 1 if points are closer or nearest, that is it indicates they are neighbor. So uh, what is the help of this proximity function? So we can find out edge, we can detect the edge, that is via if it is returned 0, that is those 2 points are very far apart, so they are the farthest distance, so that via that we can find out edge of a picture, that is edge detection. Second help is we can blur the image. So uh, using proximity function, we can also calculate neighbor or the same points, and we can use those values to blur the image. And third example, we can also add filters to our image. So this is the main usage of that proximity function. Conclusion, we have seen the distance. What is distance? We have seen many methods of calculating distance, that is city block, chessboard, and Euclidean. We also studied the formula of Euclidean calculating distance, and for 1 dimension, 2 dimension, we also implemented a code. We have written a proximity function. That function measures the closeness of an point, that is 2 points. It can range from 0 to 1 if they are neighbors, and it can range 0 if it is the farthest, and 1 if it is the closest. So using this, we can do is we can detect the edge, sharp it, add filters, we can blur the image, and so on. So this is about proximity function and Euclidean distance. I have taken some references from Wikipedia and IEEE papers. Uh, Thank you.
Is there any real-time example can you give, like where it is using Euclidean?
Yes, sir. In our filters, that is Snapchat, uh, they use uh, image processing where they have to find out the pixels. If they want to add bokeh effect, that is blurring out the background, they have to find the closest, uh, that is nearest pixels and farthest pixels, that is background, and add those filters such as bokeh or any other color filters, etc. They also are not restricted only to adding filters. We can use to find distance, that is in space. When we start scaling out and graph put a graph and find out the distance between uh, planets or astronomical objects, when an image is taken via any telescopes or any etc measures, we can use proximity function to calculate the distance between them. The scale is same as the scale set in graph. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. And one more thing, the other two persons, I will schedule the other time because I have just called from office. I need to go.
Yes,
Praveen
sir.
and Shikumar, I will intimate you for the presentation.
Okay, sir.
Okay.